In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your token usage in Claude AI. Full guide. Let's start with the fastest way to get where you need to go. Open your browser and search for Claude Console. In the results, look for the official Claude platform link and head to the console. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on the dashboard. This is your control center for managing projects, keys, and, most importantly for today, usage. From the dashboard, find the usage section and click it. This opens a dedicated page that shows how many tokens you've consumed over time. Tokens are the building blocks of text that Claude processes, both what you send in and what Claude sends back. Watching this number helps you understand cost, keep within plan limits, and spot unusual spikes early. Once you're on the usage page, take a moment to scan the charts and totals. You'll typically see a timeline view that helps you understand daily patterns, plus summaries that separate input and output tokens. If you work across multiple models, you may see usage grouped by model, which is helpful for comparing which workloads are most expensive. Use any available date pickers to narrow the window to today, the last 7 days, or a custom range, so you can zero in on a specific campaign or experiment. If you prefer to jump straight to this view next time, you can open the usage page directly by visiting the usage URL in your browser. This is especially handy if you keep it bookmarked or you're already working in the code view and want a quick check without navigating through the dashboard. Now, if you want to see the guardrails around your activity, your limits, head to the API area in the console. There, you can review your current quotas and rate limits. Think of these as the maximum allowed throughput, such as how many tokens or requests you can send within a given time window. This view is essential when you're scaling an application, scheduling batch jobs, or troubleshooting throttling. If you're nearing a limit, consider reducing request frequency, trimming prompt size, or spacing out larger jobs to avoid hitting caps. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your usage looks off, double-check the date range and make sure you're viewing the correct workspace or project. Give the page a quick refresh after heavy testing to ensure the latest numbers are visible. And consider bookmarking both the dashboard and the usage page so you can keep an eye on trends over time. That's it. You now know how to find the console, open the usage view, jump there directly, and check your API limits with confidence.